In this guide, I'm gonna explain you guys how long pending Robux takes to process and when you can expect it to show up in your balance. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the Robux icon given at the top right. Click on the option My Transaction. If you have sold an item, game passed, or earned Robux in another way, you might notice that it does not appear in your balance immediately. In this page, you're gonna find your pending Robux listed. So how long does it take? Normally, pending Robux is released within 3 to 7 days. However, in some cases, it can take up to 30 days if the transaction is flagged for review. This is a built-in security feature to make sure purchases and sales are verified. Once the pending period ends, the Robux will automatically move from pending into your available balance. So don't worry, you'll get it. It just takes a little patience. And that's it. Pending Robux usually clears in 3 to 7 days, but sometimes up to 30. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.